Tired of the endless guessing game when it comes to gifts or keeping track of your own upcoming purchases? Say goodbye to that, because today we're diving into the incredibly useful world of Amazon wish lists. Creating an Amazon wish list is like having your own personal, shareable catalog of everything you love. It's perfect for birthdays, holidays, or even just for keeping track of things you want to buy for yourself later. Let's get started. First, head over to Amazon.com. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the page. You'll see a menu that likely says Account and Lists or something similar. Click on that. In the drop-down menu that appears, you'll find an option for wish list. Click on that to either create a new list or manage your existing ones. If this is your first time, you'll see a prominent button to create a wish list. Go ahead and click that. Amazon might ask you to name your list. You could call it birthday wishes, holiday gifts, or even my must-haves. Now for the fun part, adding items. Simply browse Amazon as you normally would when you find something you want. Click on the product to go to its page. On the product page, look for a button that says Add to List. You might also see a small arrow next to it. Click on that, and then select the wish list you just created, or choose to create a new one if you didn't name it earlier. And just like that, your item is added. You can repeat this process for anything and everything you desire. You can also add items from your computer, tablet, or even the Amazon mobile app. Once you've populated your list, you can easily share it. On your wish list page, find the share button or a similar option. Clicking this will usually give you a direct link that you can copy and paste into an email, a text message, or even a social media post. This makes gift giving so much simpler for your loved ones and ensures you get exactly what you want. So go ahead, build your dream list and make gifting a breeze for everyone involved.